One thing that Desperate Housewives taught me through the character of Brie Van de Kamp is that when a woman feels sad, the best thing to do is to bake, not to cry. So I was feeling a little bit sad today and I decided to bake. I had like leftover bananas, very ripe, so I decided to make a banana pound cake or a banana burnt cake, and I did not follow any recipe. That's why I did not film the process because I was not following any recipe. But this is just like 2 to 3 bananas. I added flour, oil, sugar till it looked like something, and then I just put it in the oven. Thank God it came out pretty nice, even though I was not following any recipe. And it was actually nice because I was not following a recipe, but I managed to get a cake, and so that made me feel a little bit happy. I thank God for that. It was a small moment, but a nice moment, and it helped me to not think too much about what was like making me sad. So if I can say anything to a woman watching this video, please don't cry if you're feeling sad today. Find something to bake and eat, and I'm sure it's going to be quite enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.